The sunflower Helianthus annuus isn't just beautiful or symbolic of sunlight and time. It also carries remarkable medicinal and nutritional value that contributes to a healthy life. Here's a clear breakdown. Sunflower seeds, nature's nutrient powerhouse. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that protects body cells from damage, supports heart health, helps lower bad cholesterol LDL, and improve good cholesterol HDL, boosts immunity thanks to zinc, selenium, and vitamin E, improves brain function. Healthy fats and vitamin B6 help keep nerves and brain activity steady. Promotes healthy skin. Vitamin E and fatty acids maintain glowing, youthful skin. Sunflower oil, a healing extract. Cold-pressed sunflower oil is widely used for cooking and skin care. Supports cardiovascular health by reducing harmful cholesterol levels. Anti-inflammatory effects. Helps relieve swelling and joint pain. Skin moisturizer. Keeps the skin soft. Helps heal wounds and prevents infections. Healthy cooking oil. Light, easy to digest, and rich in unsaturated fats. Leaves, petals, and roots. Traditional medicine uses. In folk and herbal medicine, different parts of the sunflower have been used for treating coughs and colds. A tea made from sunflower petals and leaves soothes the throat. Reducing fever and inflammation. Sunflower leaf infusion is sometimes used as a natural remedy. Relieving arthritis pain. Some cultures use sunflower root decoctions to ease joint discomfort. Seeds and timing. Energy for the day. Because sunflowers follow the sun's timing, their seeds store sunlight energy in the form of oils and nutrients. Eating them in the morning or midday provides a natural energy boost, a way to align your body's rhythm with the energy of the sun. In summary, the sunflower is more than a symbol of light. It's a natural healer, a source of nutrition, and a teacher of balance. Its timing with the sun mirrors how we should live, in sync with nature, nourished by its gifts and strengthened by its rhythm. If you have any questions or wants to know more, please drop your comments. And if you love our research, turn on the notification icon and subscribe to our channel.